of the, inspired by the Oasis tops that Noel wore at Knebworth. You was at Knebworth. You loved it. Tell us a bit about it. Can you remember any of the songs? Remember the day? What were your feelings?
I think Knebworth was probably the last great happening, really. Like everyone has talked about when that documentary was released. I think I said it on the night when I was being interviewed. When I was a kid, I used to read a lot of books about the Summer of Love and how great that would have been, and all these great bands on one bill. Well, that pretty much was Knebworth. That pretty much was XFM. You know, that was our Summer of Love. If you remember, everything was great, Andy, wasn't it? Everything was great. You'd wake up and there'd always be a gig to go to. There'd always be something to do. It would be like you wouldn't stay in.